Now see, in this live lecture we shall discuss the next type of the integral, that is integration of root ax square plus bx plus c. Actually in the last lecture we have seen that the integration of the function, that means integration of 1 upon root ax square plus bx plus c. How to calculate the integration of root ax square plus bx plus c? That is the integration of irrational algebraic expression which we have studied. Now in this today's lecture we shall discuss the integration of this based on or integration of root ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. So see the students, first of all we shall discuss the method of this integration, and then we shall discuss, actually these are the formulae which we have to use. That means root of x square plus a square, these are the standard formulae. That means we need variable term square plus constant term square, then we can find the integration. Also root of x square minus a square. What is the formula for x square minus a square? 1 by 2 into x root of x square minus a square by 2 log of x plus root x square minus a square. So we shall write, these are the three standard forms which are used 1 upon root ax square plus bx plus c. We have to solve ax square plus bx plus c. Now again there are three standard forms which are used. We can write that standard form, that is 4 integration of root of x square plus a square Chalo students, now you tell me what is the formula for this. Formula is used log of 1 minute x square plus a square. So we have to use the standard form of 1 by 2, or we can also write as a x by 2 root x square plus a square into, we can again use that formula, that is 1 upon x square plus a square, x by 2 root x square plus a square by 2 log of x plus root x square plus a square plus constant of integration c. Or we can use the alternative formula for this is x by 2 root, 1 minute, x by 2 root x square plus a square plus 1 by a square by 2 into sine of h inverse x by a. That means if the standard form is like x square plus a square. Now second, fifth, we can write integration of root of x square minus a square dx. The same formula which we have to use here, see this, root of x square minus a square, x square minus a square, then x by 2 root x square minus a square by 2. So same formula, x by 2 root x square minus a square by 2 into log of x plus root x square minus a square. Or we can use alternative formula in the hyperbolic function, x by 2 into root x square plus a square minus a square by 2 into cos of h inverse x by a plus c. And the last formula, that is a 6 integration of, now we can use the next formula, that is x square minus a square root of x square minus a square dx. Also it has two alternative formulas. First is a कौन सा है एक मिनट x square minus a square नको है, it has repeated a square minus x square. So we can use a square minus x square means x by 2 into root x by 2 into root a square minus a square plus x square minus sine inverse of x by a. That is the same formula, that is x by 2 root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into root into sine inverse of x by a plus c. Okay, we can use this formula. आता या पद्धतीने आपण हा फॉर्म्युला वापरू शकतो, या पद्धतीने आपण फॉर्म्युला लिहू शकतो. ठीक आहे. So now we shall discuss the concept regarding, okay. Now see here, now we have to use the theorem. What we have to prove? See this, what is the theorem? We have to discuss, find the method to solve the integral. आता आपल्याला काय करायचं पहा, we have to find out the methodology for the solution of the integration. So we shall discuss this methodology. See this, next theorem second. Find the method of integration find the method of the solution of integral root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. How we can write here? Let I is equals to integration of root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Again there are two possible cases. First is if case first, if a is greater than 0 means a is a positive. Actually we can use this formula for a is positive, a is negative. We can write a, let if a is positive, then same theorem which we have to prove here as like yesterday, integration of root of ax square plus bx plus c. Take out a common a from the root. So root a into integration of x square plus b by a into x plus c by a dx. So we have last term is equals to 1 by 2 into coefficient of x bracket square. So 1 by 2 into b by a bracket square. So it can be written as a b square divided by 4a square. So we can add and subtract the term I is equals to root of integration of x square plus b by a into x plus, we have to add and subtract this term, that is b square plus 4a square. So b square divided by 4a square minus b square divided by 4a square plus c by a. See this, we have studied this method yesterday in the last lecture. So I is equals to root of a integration of, that can be written as, we have to separate these two parts. So it can be written as a x square plus b by a into x plus b square divided by 4a square minus, it can be also written as a b square divided by 4a square minus c by a. if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then I is equals to root of a into integration of, we can write this as x plus b by 4a 2a bracket square minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a bracket square into dx. Okay, so now see this is the standard form. I is like x square minus a square, and if the standard form is x square minus a square, then we have to use x by 2. X means this term, so we can write this integral as a root a into x by 2 means x plus b upon 2a bracket square divided by 2 into root the same function which can be written as a ax square plus bx plus c minus, then we can use that formula, minus a square by 2, a square by 2 into, minus means we can write cos h inverse of x, in short cos h inverse of x by a. X by a, x means x plus b upon 2a divided by a. A means what? A means root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this can be written as, यालाच आपण असं लिहू शकतो a into root a into x 2ax 2ax plus b divided by 4a. 4a म्हणजेच इथं a square by 2. So x square नाही, x by 2 आहे. So this is a 4a. A square by 2 nahi hai, x by 2. We can write this as a x by 2. So into root of, this is a same function which can be written as, आपण a common काढल्यानंतरचा येणार असतो ना तो. So we can write this as x square plus b by a into x plus c by a. आणि इथं मात्र सेम येतो, याला मी परत एकदा व्यवस्थित लिहितो, हे दिसत नाही तुम्हाला. So minus a square by 2, a square means this constant term, root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, its square divided by 2 into cos h inverse. हे पहा, a square by 2 into cos h inverse of x by a. हे ठीक आहे, इथं बसायला अडचणच आहे. ठीक आहे, राहू द्या. 2ax divided by 4a into x square plus b by a into x plus c by a minus, we can write this as, if we take the square, then we can write b square minus 4ac divided by 8a into cos h inverse of, we can write x by a. X by a means put this value, x by a means we can write, त्याचा LCM घ्या, 2ax plus b divided by x by a. A means this total term, root of b square minus 4ac. थोडं इथं चालत नाही. हा, तुम्ही ते व्यवस्थित चेक करा. b square minus 4ac plus constant of integration c, it will be the value. आता हे जर लेस दॅन असेल, इफ b square minus 4ac is less than 0 if I shall write here b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then we have to write I is equals to root a integration of, then suppose this is equation 2 from 2, then from 2, then we can write from 2, what we have to write? We have to express this root of 2ax plus b upon 4a. So this can be written as, if b is greater than 0, then we have to multiply in the bracket, equation 2 मध्ये bracket मध्ये multiply करा. So root of x square plus b by a into x plus b square divided by 4a square plus we have to write 4ac minus b square divided by 2a, यानी कि 4a square. So it is written as a 4a square into dx. Okay. So this is the concept. Then we have to use the formula I is equals to integration of root of integration of x plus b by 2a bracket square plus root of 4ac minus b square divided by 2a bracket square into dx. So I is equals to integration of a root a, हाँ आता बघा बरे कुठला स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म होतो, एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस ए स्क्वेअरचा, एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस ए स्क्वेअर मीन्स एक्स बाय 2 इंटू रूट एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस ए स्क्वेअर. So we can write x by 2 x plus b upon 2a upon 2 into root x square plus a square, that can be written as a x square plus b by a into x plus c by a. Okay. Also minus चला काय येतो पहा. So we can write plus, and see this the formula, a square by 2 into cos h inverse of x see this x square plus a square, that means we have to use the formula number first, and that is sin h inverse of x by a. X by a means x plus b upon 2a divided by a means root of 4ac minus b square divided by 2a plus constant of integration c. So I is equals to root a 2ax plus b divided by 4a into root of x square plus b by a into x plus c by a plus a square divided by 2. Actually a square means what? Actually a means this total term. We shall write this a. A square by 2 means a means this total term. हाँ याचा स्क्वेअर केला तर काय येतो 4ac minus b square divided by 8a square into sin inverse of sin h inverse of 2ax plus b divided by root of 4ac minus b square. plus constant of integration c. Plus constant of integration c. Okay. So we can write this way. ठीक आहे. अशा पद्धतीने हे सोल्युशन इथं आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करता येतं आणि हे कंप्लीट होतं. आता दुसरी कंडिशन आहे, इफ a is negative, same we have to write case second, if a is negative, so I is equals to integration of root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. So integration of root of minus a, we can take common, minus x square minus bx minus c into dx. Same process which we have studied in the last lecture. So we can write root of minus a integration of root of minus x square minus b by a minus c by a. So we have to add and subtract here. We have to add and subtract here. So root of minus a integration of root of minus x square minus b by a x into minus b square divided by 4a square plus b square divided by 4a square minus c by a dx. So we can write root of minus a integration of, you can take the common here, root of minus in a bracket x minus common काढल्यावर x square plus b by a into x plus b by 4a bracket square, b square divided by 4a square plus इथं b square minus 4ac upon 4a square, this is the LCM, into dx. So we can write root of minus a integration of root of b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square minus x square plus b by a into x plus b square divided by 4a square. dx, okay? One minute. Okay, so we can use this formula as which is equals to integration of root a into integration of root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a bracket square minus x minus x plus b upon 2a bracket square into dx. So root of minus a into x square minus a square चा formula वापरा. What is the formula for a square minus x square? then we know that the formula for a square minus x square is x by 2 root a square minus x square. So we have to use x by 2 root x means b by 2a into root x square minus a square. So we can write this as, this can be written as c by a minus, or we can write this is x square minus a square. You can put this also as a x square minus a square. There is no any problem. So we can write this as a x square minus a square means x plus b by 2a bracket square minus a square means root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a bracket square. Okay, x by 2 root x square minus a square. Then we have to use again the formula a square by 2 into sin h inverse. See this is the formula, required formula. A square by 2 into sin h inverse, sin inverse of x by a. So plus a square by 2 means root of b square minus 4ac, a square means bracket square divided by 2, a square divided by 2 into sin inverse of x by a, x plus b upon 2a upon a means root of b square minus 4ac, sorry, okay, a square, 1 minute, we are getting the a square minus x square. आपल्याला काय पाहिजे इथं, a square minus x square minus a square झालेला आहे. So we can write this as okay, see this, a square minus x square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a bracket square minus x square means x minus x plus b by 2a bracket square. Okay, so we can write this and we can solve this. See this is the complete answer. This is the methodology for the solution of integral. So okay, no problem. Now we shall solve the problems based on this. ठीक आहे, आता याच्यावरचे आपण प्रॉब्लेम्स घेऊ. दोन्ही मेथडचे प्रॉब्लेम्स आपण सॉल्व करू. We shall discuss the method problems. First, integrate root of 3x square plus 6x plus 5. Now see this, we have to find out the integration of this root of 3x square plus 6x plus 5 means we have to find out the integration of this type, root of ax square plus bx plus c. या पद्धतीचे इंटिग्रेशन आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचे आहेत. तर कसं फाइंड आउट करणार पहा. सी दिस, लेट I is equals to integration of root of 3x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. So I is equals to integration of root 3 common kada, integration of we can write x square plus 6 by 3 means that is 2x plus 5 by 3 dx. That is, we have to take common a. So I is equals to root 3 integration of root of, now use the last term means 1 by 2 coefficient of x bracket square. So we can use x square plus 2x plus 1 is the last term minus 1 plus 5 by 3 into dx. So root 3 integration of root of, we can write x plus 1 bracket square plus 2 by 3 dx, root 3 integration of root of x plus 1 bracket square plus root 3 by 2 bracket square dx. So we can use x square plus a square. How we can use x square plus a square? X square plus a square means what? That is the formula for x square plus a square is, see this first number formula, x by 2 root x square plus a square by 2 into sin h inverse of x by a. So we have to use this formula. Root 3 as it is, x by a means x plus 1 divided by 2, x by 2 root x square plus a square, x plus 1 bracket square plus a square means root 2 by 3 bracket square minus a square by 2, sorry, plus a square by 2 means root 2 by 3 bracket square upon 2 into sin h inverse of x by a, x plus 1 काय चालत नाही रे, x plus 1 divided by a means root 2 by 3. So we can write this as root 3 into x by a means as it is x plus 1 divided by 2 into root x square plus a square means x plus 1 bracket square, x plus 1 bracket square plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 means 2 by 6 means 1 by 3. We can solve this. 1 by 3 into sin h inverse of x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by x by a means root 3. So this can be written as root 3 by root 2 plus constant of integration c. Now you can multiply root 3 in the bracket also. आता हा जो बाहेरचा ब्रॅकेट आहे त्यानं रूट 3 न मल्टिप्लाय करू शकता. You will get the answer, there is no problem. A square by 2, a square means 2 by root 2 by 3 divided by 2 means 1 by 3. आता याला जर तुम्ही रूट 3 न मल्टिप्लाय केला तर काही अडचण जाणार नाही. रूट 3 into x plus 1 divided by 2 into root of x plus 1 bracket square plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by root 3. If we multiply by root 3, then we get sin h inverse of root 3 into x plus 1 divided by root 2 plus c. Okay. So this completes the solution. अशा पद्धतीने हे complete solution होतं. ठीक आहे. Now we shall discuss the second problem. आता आपण दुसरा प्रॉब्लेम घेऊ. One minute. Root of second problem. Root of 2x square plus 3x plus 4 dx. Let I is equals to integration of root of 2x square plus 3x plus 4 dx. So root 2 will be take out of this square root, so x square plus 3 by 2x plus 2 dx. So we can use the last term here. आता last term ची concept वापरा. How we can use the last term? So last term is equals to 1 by 2 into coefficient of x bracket square 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 bracket square. So it can be written as a 9 by 16. So we have to add and subtract 9 by 16 in this integral. So we get root 2 into root of x square plus 3 by 2x plus 9 by 16 minus 9 by 16 plus 2 dx. So we can write root 2 is equals to root 2 into root of x plus 3 by 4 bracket square minus इथं येतं 16 32 minus 9 32 minus 9 means 23 by root 6 23 by 4 bracket square into dx. See this. So now we can use the formula x square minus a square. There is a standard formula for x square minus a square is, what is the standard formula? X square minus a square is equals to x by 2 root x square minus a square. So we can write this as root 2 into x by 2 into root x square minus a square x plus 3 by 4 bracket square minus a square means 23 by 16 plus sin inverse of what we can write. See this, we have to use x square minus a square, then cos h inverse of x square minus a square, then we can write cos a square by 2. इथे एक विसरलं पहा. Again a square by 2, see this formula, yes, minus a square by 2 into cos h inverse of a square by 2. A square by 2 means what? 23 by 16 divided by 2 cos h inverse of x by a, x plus 3 by 4 upon a means root 23 by 4 plus c. So we can write I is equals to root 2 into x plus 3 by 4 divided by 2 into root of x plus 3 by 4 bracket square minus 23 by 16 plus a square by 2 means 23 by 32 cos h inverse of 4x plus 3 divided by root 23. 4 will be get cancelled plus 6. Now you can multiply this by root 2 in the bracket also. Okay, you can multiply, you can do this. तुम्ही हे करू शकता, काही अडचण नाही आहे. काय अडचण आहे का स्टुडंट्स विचारा. We have to solve this problem simple by using one by one. Next we shall discuss the next problem. Integration of third problem. So we can write this integration of root of 1 plus 2x minus 3x square into dx. Let I is equals to integration of root of 1 plus 2x minus 3x square into dx. So we can write this as, you can take the common 3, root 3 into integration of 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3x minus x square dx. So we have to use last term here. So last term is equals to 1 by 2 into coefficient of x bracket square. So 1 by 2 into coefficient of x means 2 by 3 x bracket square. So we can write 1 by 9 which is equals to root 3 integration of root of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9 plus 2 by 3x minus x square dx. That means we have to add and subtract here. So this can be separate term. So this can be written in the separate term. So we can write root 3 integration of, now what is the value of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9, LCM is 9. So there is a 3 plus 1 means 4 by 9. So we can write root of 4 by 9 in a, take out a minus common, x square plus 2 by 3x. Minus common काढला पहा, last 3 term मधला minus common काढला plus 1 by 9. So we can express this in the form of a bracket square. So root 3 integration of root of 2 by 3 bracket square minus x minus 1 by 3 bracket square, so dx. Now this is the standard formula for x square minus a square. Then standard formula for this is root 3 as it is in a bracket x by 2. X by 2 means x minus 1 by 3 upon 2 into root a square minus x square means 2 by 3 minus x square means x minus 1 by 3 bracket square a square minus x square plus, see this, what is the formula for, that is a square by 2 into sine inverse of, see this, sine inverse of x by a. I shall write this formula. A square minus x square means we can put the formula x by 2 into root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. So we have to use this formula, a square by 2. A square by 2 means 2 by 3 bracket square divided by 2 sin inverse of x by a, x minus 1 by 3 upon 2 by 3. So root 3 into, we can write 3x minus 1 divided by 6 into root of 4 by 9 minus x. यालाच आपण असं सुद्धा लिहू शकतो बरं, हीच टर्म. You can replace this term also, 1 plus 2x minus 3. What is that? We can replace this 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3x minus x square असं पण लिहू शकतो. Plus 4 by 9 into 2 means 2 by 9 sin inverse of 3x minus 1 divided by 2 plus constant of integration c. Plus constant of integration c. So we can write this complete process, okay? We can write this complete process. तर ठीक आहे, अशा पद्धतीने या टाईपचे प्रॉब्लेम्स तुम्ही सॉल्व करू शकता. मी होमवर्क देतो, ते होमवर्क तुम्ही सॉल्व करा. फर्स्ट, integration of 1 upon root 2x square plus 3x plus 4 dx. This is example of 1 upon root ax square plus bx plus c. Second, integration of 4 upon root 3x square minus 4x plus 1 dx. Then third, integration of 1 upon root 1 plus 2x minus 3x square. This is of first type. हे पहिल्या टाईपचे आहेत. आता दुसऱ्या टाईपचे देतो तुम्हाला. 4 root of, we can use 2x square minus x plus 2. So again we can use, 1 minute, fifth root of, we can use x square plus 2x plus 5 into dx. ठीक है. Now first, second, third, these three problems are belonging to the method, yesterday's method which we have studied last lecture, and these two problems which we have studied in this lecture. Okay, so we shall stop here. Okay, सॉल्व करा. काही अडचण आली तर